name is Devanshi and I'm a STEM instructor at ScienceUtsav. Today I'm going to show you an activity which we conduct in senior maker classes at ScienceUtsav. It's called the balloon spinner. I'll show you how it works. Did you see how once we fill the balloon with air and let the air come out, let it get inflated, the straw spins around while the air comes out of the balloon. This is because of the third law of motion, which states that every action has equal and opposite reaction. Our action is filling the air inside the balloon, and the opposite reaction to it is when the air comes out, the balloon spins. Another reason behind the spinning of the balloon is that the air which is just coming out through the straw here creates a thrust and leads to a push which makes the straw move. Thank you.